Hi guys, Attila here from Ireland. The job of the day was to replace a motor on a Pfaff machine that I got a while back, and it has some issues with its original Efka motor. Some of you might know that I'm a big fan of Efka. I know that the company is in trouble now, but I still love the brand, respect the brand, and during the last 3-4 years I learned a lot about the motors, settings and setups, so I collected a few of them. So I had a spare part for this project. This might go to a customer who manufactures blinds and awnings, and the plan is to have a program set up for the project, a seam pattern for the job that they plan to do. I also decided to change the table for the machine. Original table was on casters with wheels, and the customer doesn't need casters in their setup in their factory. Yeah. I had a spare Pfaff motor, Efka motor, that I put on the machine. Originally the belt was a little longer. Luckily I had a spare belt as well. Cleaned the machine a bit, and yes, now ready to set up the components, this synchronizer and other bits. Also some other projects which are happening in the workshop, a splitting machine that I will service soon, and other machine that arrived this week. I didn't record the whole process. Yeah, the air system is on now. I'm just connecting the hoses and tidying things up, and the machine will be ready to be tested and programming the seam. Yes, that's satisfaction when things work out. So the customer plans to use this machine for a initial backtack, just a short reinforcement on a piece of material, initial backtack and backtack, and a seam of 10 stitches, and it works. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.